Okay, so here we have a question with f of x, g of x. We start by finding the range of f. Now, if you're asked to find the range of one of the given functions, then the best way to do that is to think about the graph of that function. This should be an easy graph to think about, and remember that the range is the set of outputs, in other words, y values that that graph can take. So sketch the graph and think about the range of values for y, and describe the range using either the letter y or saying about f of x. Don't talk about x when you're describing the range of a function. In b.1 we've got to find fg of x, that's a composite function. If you look at examples 1a, 1b in your chapter 3 notes, then that should cover that. And then we've got 4 marks for solving what you've just found equal to 4. So it's vital you've got this right. When you're solving this, there will be more than one solution. It's quite easy to lose marks with a particular silly mistake that people make. Be careful you get all the solutions. Then in c.1, explain why a function does not have an inverse. This should be in your notes. There is a standard form of words for why a function might not have an inverse, or why it would have an inverse. Make sure you know that and get your 1 mark here. And then we've got to find an inverse function of g of x. There's g of x. The method for finding the inverse function is in your notes. It's examples 2a and 2b, round about there. So that's all about that question.